Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start with an image ready and both devices nearby so the change is immediate. On your iPhone, open Photos and choose a still or live photo. On the watch, open the current face. Once done, tap the Share button on the photo and select Create Watch Face. This moves the image into the Watch Face editor. Make sure the watch is unlocked and paired because the editor syncs settings from your iPhone to the Series 10. Now you tailor how the wallpaper behaves and what data shows. In the preview, use pinch to zoom and drag to position the subject correctly. For portrait watch faces, use depth control for layered effect. Then tap Customize to pick complications, time, activity, or shortcuts, and assign the digital crown action. These choices determine readability and battery impact, so balance function with aesthetics. When adjustments look, finish by checking the watch face directly. Raise to wake or tap the display and swipe to the face you just set. If the live photo doesn't animate, make sure live photos are enabled and that reduce motion isn't limiting animations. Also verify the image format is supported. If the face won't sync, restart the watch and iPhone. If that fails, unpair and repair as a last resort. These steps resolve most issues and get your Series 10 showing the wallpaper you chose.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.